The topic of today's video is how to create an account on Nvidia GeForce. Now, you should know by now that Nvidia GeForce is now just called the Nvidia app, and here we are inside said Nvidia app. So what we want to do is go to the top right hand side here where it says login, and that's going to open up our web browser. Now here you'll be prompted to log in or put in your email address. You can do either or. All roads lead to this screen over here. So now you'll put in your display name and your date of birth. Then you just need to fill out the captcha by clicking I am human. And then click on create account. Now here you can tick these if you want to. I don't want any emails, so I'm just going to click on submit. And you should now be logged in if you jump back to the Nvidia app. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.